Good day from the Institute of Galatentology. Today I'm going to be meeting somebody very special. Some people think we're the same person. So others think we're twins. Others think that he's my father and I'm his extremely handsome son. We're not the same person, nor are we related. We just look similar. Ryan, nice to see you. How are you doing?
I'm good, thank you. Good.
Excellent. Excellent. So, we've seen Ryan quite a lot on social media, on Gala Tent social media. Why?
Well, I'm the marketing manager and I'm the one who's
Okay.
to make a fool of himself.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's me. I'm marketing manager.
But okay, you're the face. Who else is there? It's not just you, is it?
No, I've got an excellent team behind me. There's the lovely Samantha, the lovely Bethany, and the quite horrific Nathan.
They sound great.
No, Nathan's not.
Who knows? I don't know what they said.
They didn't say
Well,
anything.
thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wonderful.
You're welcome.
Wonderful. And there goes the experiment number 1. Can we do an interview with myself?